Shan Foods Private Limited is a globally recognized Pakistani brand, delivering authentic packaged spice mixes and food products to households across more than 70 countries. At Shan Foods, ESL successfully executed a comprehensive power solution project featuring the Aksa AC2250 Cummins QSK60G4 generator, equipped with the trusted UK-built Cummins engine. This turnkey engagement delivered not just reliable power, but a complete system engineered for performance, resilience, and operational efficiency. ESL's scope included a remote cooling system, fully integrated, with a high-efficiency heat exchanger, industrial water pumps, complete with both open and closed circuit piping, designed to keep the power unit running at optimal temperatures, even under sustained loads. To ensure clean airflow and enhanced equipment longevity, ESL installed forced air intake fans with advanced filtration. Fuel reliability was another cornerstone of this project. ESL provided an external fuel system with automated controls, a fuel automation system that ensures uninterrupted fuel delivery and minimizes manual intervention. For seamless integration into Shan Foods plant operations, ESL implemented a synchronization and remote monitoring system, enabling coordinated power distribution and real-time oversight from the control room. ESL also delivered the power transmission system, engineered for secure and efficient energy transfer from the generator to main LT panel, along with MCC panels and all auxiliary systems, providing a complete and robust electrical infrastructure. This project stands as a testament to ESL's commitment to quality, technical excellence, and end-to-end execution, empowering Shan Foods with reliable power and peace of mind.